I'm just gonna say to you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, ha? I say again, you should not blame anyone. You should not blame Wawel Romero. You should not blame anybody or anyone. This is your fault. You are the one who's responsible for creating cyberbullying. You are a bully. I've been told by my friend, um, um, my former friend, Wawel Romero, kung sino man naggugulo sa akin, baka si Mark Cruz, because that is your responsibility, Mark Cruz. You are causing lots of trouble. This is what I'm gonna say to you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. When you create nonsense, when you create foolishness, because your mom did not reprimand you, because your parents did not discipline you. I'm just gonna say to the mother of Mark Cruz, Mrs. Cruz, not Carolina Cruz, that Joshua Cruz I mentioned. It was Mark Domingo Cruz' mother. I'm just gonna say to you, is this your son never teach him good manners and right conduct while he was attending in the Sunday Mass in the church for saying bad words? Mark Domingo Cruz, if Juan Carlo Pabale and Ryan Chris Lucero had filed the cases against you, even Ryan Chris Lucero, my former friend, if he filed the cases against you, Mark Domingo Cruz, you will be happen to Kagawad Gina's cousin, who was detained by police. Why? For become cyberbullying, creating lots of trolls, and saying bad words in social media, and making oppressing yourself, that you're making enemies to anybody. What is wrong with you, Mark Domingo Cruz? What is wrong about Juan Carlo Pabale? Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, Juan Carlo Pabale, he doesn't like in trouble. He's just like Stepan Pimentel. He doesn't like trouble. He doesn't want to get in trouble. If I were you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, if you create lots of troublemaker in Facebook, even Messenger, you should not tell lots of stories. Do not make up stories that that Juan Carlo Pabale is accusing you, even even Ryan Chris Lucero is trying to accusing you. Do not make up the stories. Do not lie, Mark Cruz. You are a liar, Mark Domingo Cruz. That's why J. Rick Silva claims you. Ubod ka kasing kasinungalingan. That's why sinungaling ka, Mark Cruz. Because you are making nonsense. Just like what you did to me. What you did to me. You say me a bad words and F word. I reported his post in Instagram threads. I never say I block Mark Cruz. I report his post. So that Instagram threads that was connected in Meta, they will review about that post from Mark Cruz that he is saying bad words. You know that, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. Don't be such a bully. Don't be such a fool. Everyone are angry at you. Everyone will hate you because you are wrong. That is deserve your consequence, Mark Domingo Cruz. Even I'm just saying your consequence is it's you deserve your own consequence. Even you, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, when you make a bomb joke at Davao City to Jeric Silva, you attack Jeric Silva. You, Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan, and you, Paulo Cruzada, you attack Joseph Maspinas, you saying a bomb threat. Oh, even Gina Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, they say about bomb jokes at Joseph Maspinas and bomb threat. And even, who else? Gima Casandil, the uncle of Paula Nunez, who making a bomb joke and bomb threat at Joseph Maspinas. All of you are wrong. Unlike you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, you are wrong. You are wrong that you are making foolishness. That's why you're been kicked out in college because you're saying bad words. Don't you even know Mark Domingo Cruz? Everyone will say to you, your parents did not raise you up, and you're saying bad words. Like me, in the past, in the few years, since 2016 until 2026, I never say bad words. Oh, in the past, in 2019, Teacher May scolded me that I say a bad words at Prince Gun. Of course, this is my fault for what I did to Prince Gun. And also, for me, what I say a bad words at Joel Ferrer, that the uncle of David Gill. I used the word GAGO. I copycat in Batang Quiapo that was used by Rigor, who was portrayed by John Estrada. It's my fault when I curse Joel Ferrer and foul languages, even the F word. But you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, whether you say a bad words about GAGO, SOB word, and even you're saying nonsense, and you calling me asshole word whatsoever, that is an insult. That's why Kuya Mel Nixon Castro, or Kuya Mel, that was a husband of Ate Hana, had warned Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. He has to stop with these bad words. Because you're insulting anyone. Believe me. You need to stop this. Me, I limit my bad words. I limit only my bad words. I do not say many, many times bad words. Oh, it will be insult. When I say lemon is being there, I say fuck, or I say shit, or I said it. I limit my bad words. Oh, but not in social media. Because that dog lemon is very wrong. Oh. Like you, Mark Domingo Cruz, oh, when you say a bad words in social media, if you call me an F word, if you call me an SOB word, if you call me an asshole word, that is an insult. And first of all, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, you better to learn how to use social media etiquette. This is for all of my enemies who wants to learn how to use social media etiquette, including Mark Domingo Cruz, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Gina Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Paulo Cruzada. Learn how to use social media etiquette. Don't be such a fool. Don't be such a imbasalt. Don't be such irrational. Like I said before, when you use social media etiquette, stop this bomb threat, stop these foul languages. Came back from Mark Domingo Cruz foul languages, even Paulo Cruzada, who's a PI word in Tagalog. That is an insult in social media. And for me, when you use a bad words anyway, we should not say bad words. Even you, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, when you're saying a bad words sa PI, your parents did not raise you up, you say bad words. Oh, that is an insult. And even to Gina Sedjo and Jeffrey Asedjo, when you say a bad words in PI or GAGO in Tagalog words, in Messenger, in social media, that is really insult. But for the lesson to Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, you should not say bad words in Instagram threads. I know you are wrong. I know you are wrong for what you're doing. You're the one who started this in 2019. You're the one who attacked my nephew Miggy when he was still a kid. You attacking him. Miggy doesn't do anything to you. Even you attack anyone, you attacking me. You force Wawel Romero to blaming me that I hack a Facebook account of Ronald Rebena. Who started this chaos? Who started this bullying to Cedric Mariano and Dan Mardayaw? Oh, it was you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. That is your fault. You know, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, I am telling you, deactivate your Instagram account and Instagram threads. Don't use social media anymore. At least you deactivate your own Facebook account. Because people there are bashing you. Oh. And you should not belong to the Hans Inclusion Philippines. Mark Domingo Cruz. If I say that to Roylan Marlang, if I send this evidence to Roylan, why Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz is insulting Kuya Rodelio Daguman? Kuya Rodelio Daguman is busy in his work. He has no family. Just like Ate Dina. He has no family because he was alongside with his brother Robin. He is a cerebral palsy. You insulting cerebral palsy that Kuya Rodelio Daguman, that he doesn't do anything to you? Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. He wants to make peace. He wants to make peace and quiet. You're the one who's responsible. Don't blame anyone. Because you're blaming anyone. Including Mon Galang, even me. That you are treating me as an enemy. Do you know Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz? I say again, if my mom had talked with Gracie to tell to Attorney Peng, I will file the complaint affidavit against Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. If my sister become a lawyer, I will file the cases against Mark Cruz. And he might get sued of, what is it? Cyber libel. Oh. Yeah, of course, cyber libel. Because, you know, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, he got sued of cyber libel from Juan Carlo Pabale. Because he say bad words. The bad words of Mark Domingo Cruz is a online defamation. And that is a cyber libel. Just like to the Marcos loyalist, wannabe, I remember Nino Barsaga. When he say bad words at Isko Moreno, he got sued of cyber libel. That will be happen to Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. Believe me. If either Larry Chuanico will defend you or Carl Villos will defend you, they will never defend you, Mark Cruz. Because right now, you're going to be sued of cyber libel. Because it's up to the court. It's up to the fiscal. Look at what happened to Paulo Cruzada. Look at what happened to Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Look at that Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Sejo, and G. Macasandil. Oh, they say bad words in social media, in Facebook and Messenger. They were get sued by Joseph Maspinas, of cyber libel. And that will be happen to Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. If I contact with one Carlo Pabale, if I tell to Carlo Pabale, I say to Carlo Pabale, pag nagmura yan si Mark Cruz, kasuhan mo na lang, like I said. It's better is to file the lawsuit against Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. It's simple. And gave him a summon in barangay. Gave him a summon in barangay and gave him a certificate of file action. Just like that. Me, I never want to be happen to David Gill when I curse bad words to the uncle of David Gill named Joel. And I know this is my fault for what I did to David Gill, that I attacked the church. And the father of David Gill had filed me cases of cyber libel and also cyberbullying. I know what really happened is I've been sued by the family of David Gill that what I did to them, I was very wrong. And I have lots of wrongdoing. It will never happen again. But I say again, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, if you say bad words at me, if you say bad words at calling a word asshole, even F word, SOB word, I'm going to tell to Kapitana Salonga. And I will send all the screenshot at what he said in the bad words. Even he curses bad words. He calls Tatay Digong an F word. And he calls me F word too. And FUCK also at me. That I did nothing too wrong about him. You're the mastermind, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. If Kapitana Salonga visited in San Pedro, Laguna, I told to Kapitana Salonga, file the complaint affidavit against Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. He's living in San Pedro, Laguna, in Sinoville, what's that? Sinoville village in San Pedro, Laguna. And I know that address of Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. If ever he attend in ASP Angels Walk in next year, I told to Kapitana Salonga, gave Mark Cruz a complaint affidavit. and then we will see him in we will see him in Caloocan. Not in San Pedro, Laguna. We will see him in Caloocan. We will have a face-to-face debate. Who is the real mastermind? And who is the real cyberbullying? And here's the evidence. That was you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. You are a mastermind.